In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and use a mirror column in Monday.com. To get started, open the Monday.com board where you want this mirrored information to appear. Make sure you're on the correct board before making any changes, especially if you manage multiple workflows or teams. A mirror column is useful when you want to display information from a connected board without manually copying and pasting anything, which helps keep your data consistent and up to date. Once you're inside the board, look across your existing columns and click the plus icon to add a new column. This is where you can expand the structure of your board and bring in additional data views. After clicking the plus icon, a menu will appear with different column types that you can add. In the search area, type in mirror. This will help you quickly find the correct option instead of scrolling through the full list of available columns. When you see the mirror column appear in the results, click it to select it. This tells Monday.com that you want to display information coming from another board connection rather than entering new data directly into this one. Next, you'll be asked to choose the connected board column that you want to mirror from. This is an important part of the setup because the mirror column only works with boards that are already linked through a connected board relationship. Take a moment here to choose the correct connected board column so the mirrored information pulls from the right source. After that, select the exact data you want to display from the connected board. For example, this could be a status, date, text field, or another supported value that already exists in the linked board. Be precise with this choice because it determines what your team will actually see inside the new mirror column on this board. When everything looks right, save your setup. After saving, check the board to confirm that the mirrored data appears correctly. This final review is helpful because it lets you verify that the connection is working as expected and that the right values are showing in the right places. If the data appears correctly, then your mirror column is ready to use. This is a simple but powerful way to make your Monday.com boards more connected, more organized, and easier to manage without duplicating information manually.